Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the Llandudno Cable Car like never before using my Insta 360X5 FPV. Let's see what amazing views and surprises await us. Welcome to this immersive experience where we explore the iconic Llandudno Cable Car using the innovative Insta 360X5 FPV technology. Get ready for a thrilling ride that will take you to new heights. Capturing the stunning scenery and thrilling ride from a unique perspective is a challenge I'm excited to take on. The Llandudno Cable Car is a beloved landmark, and I'm eager to show you just how exhilarating this experience can be. With the Insta 360X5 FPV, we'll be able to see the cable car from angles that will make you feel like you're right there with me. From the rugged coastline to the rolling hills, every moment of this ride is going to be pure adrenaline. The views from the cable car are simply breathtaking, and I'm looking forward to sharing them with you. As we ascend, you'll get a glimpse of the stunning scenery that awaits us at the top. Join me as we ride the cable car, taking in the panoramic views, and I'll share interesting facts about the history and significance of Llandudno's cable car system. Did you know that the Llandudno Cable Car has been in operation since 1960, and it's one of the highest cable cars in the UK? It's a remarkable feat of engineering that has been thrilling visitors for decades. As we make our way up, you'll get to see the picturesque town of Llandudno from a new perspective. The cable car winds its way up the Great Orme, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and the Irish Sea. Watch as we reach the summit and the camera captures the breathtaking vistas that will leave you in awe, showcasing the beauty of this magnificent area. From the summit, you can see for miles in every direction, taking in the stunning scenery of the Great Orme and the surrounding coastline. On a clear day, you can even see the mountains of Ireland. The views from the top are simply stunning, and I'm excited to share them with you. You'll get to see the rugged coastline, the rolling hills, and the picturesque town of Llandudno from a unique perspective. We've explored the Llandudno Cable Car like never before, highlighting its stunning views and thrilling experience, all from a fresh angle. I hope you've enjoyed the ride as much as I have. Don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite part and subscribe for more unique travel adventures.